Welcome back to Luxury Motorhomes, where we explore the most powerful, exclusive, and jaw-dropping homes on wheels. And today we're diving deep into something truly extraordinary. This is the 2020 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome, a vehicle that completely redefines what luxury travel means by combining Ferrari's DOTS, legendary performance DNA, with the comfort of a high-end mobile mansion. This motorhome isn't just built to travel, it's built to make a statement everywhere it goes. From the very first look, the exterior of the 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome feels bold, aggressive, and unmistakably Ferrari. The front design carries strong supercar inspiration, with sharp lines, aerodynamic sculpting, and a wide stance that gives it a commanding presence on the road. The iconic Ferrari badge sits proudly at the front, instantly signaling exclusivity. The LED headlights are slim, modern, and highly advanced, providing excellent visibility while adding a futuristic edge. The body design isn't just about looks. It's carefully engineered for aerodynamics, helping reduce drag and improve stability at highway speeds. Premium paint options inspired by Ferrari's racing heritage, including deep reds, glossy blacks, and custom metallic finishes, elevate the overall appearance. Large panoramic side windows blend seamlessly into the body, giving the motorhome a sleek profile while allowing natural light to flood the interior. Massive alloy wheels, carbon fiber accents, and subtle chrome details complete the exterior, making this motorhome look more like a luxury performance machine than a traditional RV. As you step inside, the interior instantly feels like a high-end penthouse on wheels. Ferrari's attention to detail is obvious in every corner, from the hand-stitched Italian leather seats to the premium materials used throughout the cabin. The main living area is spacious and open, designed to feel comfortable without sacrificing elegance. Soft ambient lighting runs along the ceiling and walls, creating a warm and modern atmosphere that can be customized to match your mood. The seating is plush and supportive, perfect for relaxing after a long drive, and can be adjusted electronically for maximum comfort. A large digital display serves as the control center for entertainment, navigation, lighting, and climate control, all operated through an intuitive and smooth interface. Everything feels solid, refined, and built to the highest standard data starters. The kitchen area is where luxury meets practicality. This is a fully equipped gourmet kitchen designed for travelers who don't want to compromise on quality. It features a modern induction cooktop, a built-in oven, microwave, and a large smart refrigerator with freezer space. The countertops are made from premium stone or quartz, offering both durability and a high-end look. Storage is thoughtfully designed, with soft close cabinets and drawers that keep everything secure while driving. There's plenty of space for cookware, dishes, and groceries, making long trips comfortable and convenient. Ferrari even includes a built-in espresso machine, adding a true Italian touch to your daily routine. Whether you're making a quick breakfast or a full dinner, this kitchen delivers both elegance and functionality. Moving into the bedroom, the Ferrari Luxury Motorhome truly feels like a five-star hotel suite. The master bedroom features a spacious king-size bed with a high-quality memory foam mattress designed for exceptional comfort. The bed is surrounded by premium leather panels, soft lighting, and subtle Ferrari branding that adds exclusivity without being overdone. Storage is well integrated, with large wardrobes, drawers, and overhead cabinets that provide plenty of room for clothes and personal items. A wall-mounted flat-screen display allows you to relax and enjoy entertainment while lying in bed. Sound insulation ensures a quiet and peaceful environment, even when parked in busy areas. The bedroom is designed for privacy, relaxation, and long-term comfort, making it ideal for extended road trips. The bathroom continues the luxury experience with a clean, modern, and spacious design. This is not a typical motorhome bathroom. It features a full walk-in shower with a rainfall shower head, premium fixtures, and temperature controls for a spa-like experience. The vanity area includes a stylish sink, a backlit mirror, and ample storage for toiletries and essentials. High-quality materials, elegant finishes, and soft lighting give the bathroom a refined feel. The toilet system is advanced and designed for long-distance travel, offering convenience without sacrificing hygiene or comfort. Every detail is carefully thought out to make the bathroom feel like one you'd find in a luxury hotel. Performance is where the 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome truly separates itself from the competition. Under the hood, it's powered by a high-performance hybrid system inspired by Ferrari's automotive engineering. This setup delivers impressive horsepower and torque, allowing the motorhome to accelerate smoothly and confidently despite its size. The hybrid technology not only improves performance but also enhances efficiency, making long journeys more practical. The advanced suspension system adapts to road conditions in real time, ensuring a smooth and stable ride whether you're cruising on highways or navigating rougher terrain. Steering feels precise, braking is powerful and controlled, and overall handling is far more refined than you'd expect from a motorhome of this size. Ferrari has managed to bring its performance heritage into a luxury RV platform without compromise. Technology and safety features are equal. The motorhome comes equipped with adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, 360-degree cameras, and advanced parking assistance. These features make driving and maneuvering much easier, especially in tight spaces. Solar panels integrated into the roof help power onboard systems and reduce reliance on external power sources. Climate control is fully automated, maintaining a comfortable interior temperature in all weather conditions. Smart connectivity allows owners to monitor and control various systems through a mobile app, adding convenience and peace of mind. Now let's talk about pricing. As expected, luxury and Ferrari exclusivity come at a premium. The 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome is expected to start around 18 lakh to 22 lakh dollars in the US market, depending on configuration and customization options. Fully customized versions with bespoke interiors, exclusive materials, and advanced technology packages can easily push the price even higher. This motorhome is designed for buyers who value exclusivity, performance, and luxury above all else. To wrap it all up, the 2026 Ferrari Luxury Motorhome is not just a vehicle, it's a lifestyle. It combines Ferrari's legendary performance, bold design, and premium craftsmanship with the comfort and functionality of a luxury motorhome. From its striking exterior and elegant interior to its powerful performance and cutting-edge technology, this motorhome sets a new standard for luxury travel on the road. If you want to explore the world without leaving behind speed, style, and prestige, this Ferrari motorhome delivers an experience unlike anything else. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us again for more incredible luxury motorhome reviews.